Hello everyone, Moso hi to the ladies. My name is Nthabi. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. And if you are a returning subscriber, hey sis. I'm working on stretched out hair. Sectioning hair out for the bangs. Section out as much hair as you want. I'm using the Soften Free hair gel. I used a minimal amount. If you don't want waves or texture, use wax or got to be frizz spray. I applied the gel twice. Just brushing everything into position. Do this until you are happy with how the hair looks. I applied a minimal amount of edge control along the front sections of my hair. This edge control is by Native Child. It honestly doesn't give a firm hold. Use an edge control of your choice. I wanted to create edge designs, but I decided to brush everything in and just keep it simple. Edges are a great camouflage for a thin hairline. I always say this. I tied the hair and dried it using my hooded dryer on the cool setting. The dryer is by Common. I purchased it on Takealot 2 years ago. I'm creating a firm anchor with rubber bands. I'm using kinky straight hair from a deconstructed wig. Wrap the track from the tip to the base. At the end of each track, pull out a few strands and wrap them around the base to secure it. Add more tracks until you get to the base. Heat Protectant by Tresemme. I straightened the front section. I'm not using too much heat. I have thin natural hair. When I use too much heat, my hair does not revert. Measure the length needed. Apply the glue on the track. Get it tacky. It usually looks a bit darker when it's tacky. And dry it in position. You can use any heat setting to do this. The glue I'm using is from a local no-name store. You can use any hair glue. All you need is oil to remove the tracks. It will not damage your hair. This is the same glue that some women use to apply eyelashes. I glued on 4 tracks and they are all falling forward. If you have longer hair, you'll probably need 2 tracks, but it's really all up to you. Flat ironed the hair just a bit. The donut is from a local no-name beauty store. Spread the hair out evenly around the donut. Holding spray to tame the hair. Rubber band to secure the hair in position. Initially, I wanted to create a full curly ponytail, which is why I used so many tracks. But then I decided to create a bun using this donut. You don't need as much hair when using this donut. All I did was twist the hair around and tuck the end in. You can use Got2b Frizz spray for the flyaways or any holding spray. I actually forgot to use it when I was done. I cut the bang using a razor comb. It's from Take-A-Lot. It actually broke. Edge control and holding spray to create a flip. I don't know what that's called actually. I dried the hair in position and flipped it over using cool air. L'Oreal Paris black hair tint to blend my hair in with the tracks. It's currently on sale at Checkers. I curled the bang. It looks good straight or curled. It actually took forever to create this curl. So if you struggle, you're not alone. And that's it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you found this useful. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.